Working on this Toyota 4Runner, 4th gen. Going to be changing the rear hatch struts out. Right there. Let's see, can I show you this? This is the passenger side. It says right, OEM, KYB. So I picked these up from my local Toyota dealership. This is the left-hand side. They actually have different part numbers. So the left-hand side shock is 68908-39025. For those of you who cannot read, the right-hand shock, 68907-39025. The tools you'll need: 3/8 ratchet, 12mm short, 12mm deep, and then we're going to need a 12mm ratchet or wrench as well. It comes with a new ball. I guess you could call it a pawl if you wanted to. It goes right there, sits right there, so we got to take that out. And the reason there is a left and a right because this bracket comes with a new set. I'll put some links down in the description below of where you guys can get these. I'll put some up on Amazon. I'll put links to these as well. So we need to hold up the rear hatch. You can either get somebody to help you, or I'm going to get a ladder and hold it that way. Got the ladder. It's not quite tall enough to reach the hatch, so I guess it'll have to come down a little bit when I do this and hold it that way. The latch will just come down. The rear hatch will come down, rest on the ladder. So, break these loose. I'm going to use the long 12mm here, short one there, and then a 12mm wrench right here. Got the two 12mm bolts out of there. Working on this one right here, kind of tight. Has Loctite on it for some reason. The hatch did come down. The rear hatch did come down, resting on the ladder. So just be careful. Got my 12mm here, and it's kind of a tight fit. It wants to stick in here for some reason. The wrench does. But just work it out. Got it out. Just take your time. Gotta rotate that pin it comes on, the little peg. Got that out. Gonna clean up the 12mm bolts that it came with, or that were in the vehicle, I should say. Clean up all this Loctite. Just remember there's a left and a right. And KYB, and KYB is OEM for Toyota. Like I said, I'll put some links down in the description below where you guys can pick these up. But if you can, subscribe to Bundys Garage. I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers in 2025. It's 100% free, and I'll talk to you guys later.
I saw a Marco Rubio town hall in New Hampshire.